My name is McNeil the Terror.
I am McNeil the Terror.
Ay, tupad. Tupad sa China, ayun o. China. Nandun sa loob. So hi guys, papunta kami ngayon ng Macau. So medyo na-hold lang kami ng konti sa immigration kanina kasi may mga kailangan kaming ipasang requirements pa. Pero all goods naman na. Inaantay na lang namin yung alas 3 yung flight namin. Thank you. Hi. Thank you. Okay guys, boarding na kami. May libreng meal yung Air Macau. So, kakain na kami.
请小心滑落。下机时请记得携带所有的手提物品。我们希望您度过了一段。
Show me the smile. Wow! Ano? Yay! Magmukha pa. So, nandito na kami sa Macau, guys. Next namin mamaya magka-crossboard kami to China! China! Mista ka! Yay! Welcome to Macau! Ibalik niya si... Very good.
Annyeong.
Hi vlog!
Hi vlog. Tara guys. Chat na tayo guys. Hello po.
Check the air condition.
Annyeong. Hello. Welcome to Macau.
But here, since we are here in Macau, so we'll more explore more of Macau. Take photos, beautiful photos, okay? Just follow our tour guide.
So guys, papasok kami sa Parisian Hotel sa Macau. Hindi na tayo nakapag-video ng maayos kanina kasi maraming kailangan gawin sa immigration. So ito na lang yung pinaka-video ko. Isang mabilis na montage lang. Ayan. Guys, nandito kami ngayon sa bahay ko sa Macau. Masyado maraming tao, marami tayong bisita eh. Kaya nagpapunta tayo lahat. Ito yung mga gamit ko, yung pinapabenta ko na rin. Pinapaano ko. Garage sale. Ako na lang din, syempre maraming bisita.
Mga pagkain mo, baka
Ito,
mag-expire.
pagkain ko. Ginarage sale ko na rin. Hindi, ito ano to, pre-taste ko yan.
Pre-taste mo lang
Para
yan,
sa
hindi
mga
yan.
bisita. Ito actually may pre-taste ako dito eh. Ayan. Ano to? Ano to? Ito. What's that?
Very delicious.
What's that? What's that? Jerky? Can I try?
Pretty.
Jerky.
Jerky. Thank you.
Sarap. Sarap yan. Jerky yun. Sarap. Yan. Let's try. Oh, so delicious. Sisi. Ulul, nakakita kita nakatatlo ka tol. Parang karnino. Jerky nga ni. So guys, kasama ko ngayon si ano, G Universe.
Kuya G Universe.
Yeah. Follow and subscribe. Kuya G. Yeah, boy. Dito na tayo magdi-dinner. Best, dito na tayo magdi-dinner. Ito ang aming pinakamagandang ano, core. So, it's 11 guys. Kakatapos lang namin sa immigration. Immigration ng China. So, papasok namin ng China. Woo! So, ayun na. Pasakay na kami ng bus. Papunta na kami sa accommodation namin. 11 na. Mag-alas 12 na. So, thank you.
So China have a long history. It's around 5,000 years old. So it's a long history. And also now China is very different now. Now China.
So guys, alas 12 na kami nakarating dito sa accommodation. Ito na, kukunin na natin yung mga bag para makapagpahinga na. Give me the bag! Let's go.
This is tomorrow coupon now.
What's this?
Tomorrow breakfast coupon.
Breakfast coupon. Yeah.
Breakfast coupon.
Yeah, so we have breakfast coupon here.
Excuse me, please. Excuse me. My 13th floor. Excuse me, please.
We're all here, madam.
Let's go.
Also 13?
Yeah.
Oh wow!
Wow.
So nice. This is my bed.
Hey.
Hey.
So ayun guys, nandito na kami sa room and rest time. Tamang trip muna tayo. Anti-trip muna tayo dito. Ayan. So, 13, 12. 13, 12. 13, 12 ba? 13. Baka tulog na sila.
Hello?
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 Hello? Is this the 13th Pope?
Yes, 1312.
131. Can I speak to Alan?
Alan?
Yeah?
Hindi totoo yan.
Hello po to.
Bola lang yan.
Yo!
Yo, what's up?
Ha?
32? 1312?
What are you doing?
Tulog na kayo, guys.
Oh. Bumaba kami, kakakit lang namin.
Wag ka na masyado ng gamit mo kasi maaga tayo bukas.
Magano ng gamit.
Oo, may mga nandiyan naman may mga wifi naman kayo, di ba?
Oh.
Yan, para makikita nyo yung announcement kung kailan labasan bukas, gano'n.
Alas 8, kung mga alas 6, gising na kami.
Sige. Copy, guys. Good night.
Oh, sige, good night.
Breakfast time na tayo. Breakfast time. May kamukha ka. So, ayun yung mga breakfast, guys. Puto. Sinata. So, dito na kami sa next naming tour. This is Museo.
Chinese museum.
Yeah, this is Chinese Museo. And we stayed there 1 hour. Para saan to? Oh. So may binigay sa amin para sa tenga. Para saan to? Ay, nadidinig mo siya? Paano sinusuot to, tol? Oh.
Ba't wala sa...
Oh, hello. Oh, wala. Ayan o, para nagkakarinigan.
Pero hindi ko naintindihan.
Paging. Archie Boy Ramirez, please go to the nearest CR. Come to town. Tol, pawak nga ako, tol. Picture ako lang mga.
Come to town.
Minusik ka niyo. Game? Bossing!
Ang sabi mo, boss? Ah, boss. Say hi to the vlog, boss. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi! Vlog boss. Hi to vlog. This vlog. Hello vlog.
Hi, vlog. Hello,
Vlog, hello vlog. Vlog, hello.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
Traditional Chinese medicine, simply STCM, for ease and convenience. And before our journey starts, let me briefly introduce the level to the first floor, with the narrative focus on the origin, inheritance, Chinese people believe that to keep the balance of yin and yang, to keep healthy, that these two forces have generated five elements: metal, wood, water, fire, and earth. This interaction of these five elements ultimately forms a complex universe. Now you can see this great.
Grabe talaga eh, ano ng China eh, no?
Now we can see how you convert qi into an X. And that of correspondence between human and nature, meaning the structures of heaven, earth, and human body mirror each other. With the natural environment of heaven and earth now nurturing all forms of life, let us continue to explore how various life forms on earth came into being. And ladies and gentlemen, please follow me. We're entering the
Ano na yun, no? Ano, nawala na siya. Ayun, no? Ba't adan? Ba't adan?
his eyes blinking to you.
Ayan, human race na wag.
Chinese medicine, which focus on the origins and formation of early TCM culture and theoretical systems. And you can see this little fairy here is one of our ID characters.
May anak yan, di ba?
With
Sino?
the Yellow Emperor asking questions and she brought providing answers. Out of respect of these two legendary figures, later generations use their dialogue as the basis for creating to learn more about the geometric curves. Additionally, when you touch the name of the curve,
So ito pala yung parang ano, ito yung museum nila. Ito yung parang history nila ng humanity. Punta mo. Kabila. This is my range, ready? Fire! Baril mo! Ano ba yan, Mark? Mark, tama mo!
Parang bidding.
Ano yan, zoom in?
Remaining.
So yun guys, tapos na kami dito. Ate Malin, saan tayo next pupunta?
Kung tayo punta sa CR.
Huh? Yung tour! Yung tour!
Tour natin.
Next tour natin, Alin.
Nasa Batangas.
Ano ba yan? Ang tagal!
Ating museum.
Tapos,
So next natin ay,
View Exter Canton Tower.
yes, Canton Tower.
Yeah. Ito, lalamig siya. Ayan na! Ang lamig! Ang lamig! Napakalamig!
I spread my wings and take to the sky, flying high. A world of colors I'm ready to explore. Oh yeah. With a sparkle in my eyes, I'll reach for the stars. I'm a tiny diva, and I'm gonna go far. Butterfly dream, take me on this ride. Floating through the clouds up in the sky. Spread your wings and let your spirit fly. Butterfly dream, gonna reach new heights. Fluttering through melodies, catching sweet vibes. Butterfly dream, just you and I. Fly, fly, tiny divas to the stars. In the butterfly dream, no matter who you are. With wings of joy, let the colors stream. Tiny divas are soaring in the butterfly dream. Butterfly dream, take me on this ride. Spread your wings and let your spirit fly. Butterfly dream, gonna reach new heights. Fluttering through melodies, catching sweet vibes. Butterfly dream, just you and I. Butterfly dream, take me on this ride. Floating through the clouds, up in the sky. Butterfly clouds up in the sky. Spread your wings and let your spirit fly. Butterfly dream, gonna reach new heights. Fluttering through melodies, catching sweet vibes. Butterfly dream, just you and I.
Kaya yun guys, tapos na kami sa ano nga to? Cruise. Tapos na kami sa cruise. So, meron kaming 1 hour na biyahe papuntang hotel. Then after that, free time. Inuman. Inuman tayo kuya.
Inuman yan.
How about where is the toilet?
洗手间，
洗手间。
洗手，wash hand，洗手间，
洗手
厕
间。
间，厕所，two words，厕所。
厕所。
Yeah, actually, yeah. Anila is my brother-in-law. But Anila is Cantonese, also for here. Cantonese.
So guys, nandito na kami sa hotel. Bibil! Hindi ako yun. Yan, tinatawag na yung mga rooms para makapasok na kami. Tol, kakalas ka na, Tol? Anong room mo, Tol?
Mag-iinom pa tayo.
Rest time! Rest time, no! Picture time! Picture time for the sleepwear. May mga sa akin. Yeah. So free time na kami ngayon guys, kaya ayan, mamimili kami ng pampatulog lang dito. Di tayo ihaw-ihaw? Pulutan? Parang matagal pa yan to eh. Tawid tayo. Dapat may naghahanap kami ng mabibilhan ng yelo. Wala kaming mahanap. My name is McNeil the Terror.
I am Makmul Datira.
Ay, tupad sa China, ay no. China. Nandun, sa loob.
Dadon mo,